Hey guys, welcome in first programming section. This section is targeting beginner developers or people that starting with the programming and they don't have any prior knowledge of the programming. We'll be talking here in really big details about the basic concepts. So if you are not a beginner developer and if you are looking to continue with the React or Angular section, please let's open the lectures of this course and let's continue. In the case when you want to work on a React application, let's continue with the React basic section and let's follow the instructions in the React basic section. If you want to start with the Angular framework, you can continue with the section number 19, Angular Basics, and you can follow the lectures here. Okay, but I would like to suggest you, if you want to start with some framework, I would suggest you to start with the React framework because it's much easier to start with the React framework than with the Angular, and you will learn a lot, and then you can continue with the Angular framework. Okay, but if you are a beginner developer, stay here and let's learn basics of programming. And we will start with the project setup, then we will talk about the variables, functions, scope, then I will introduce you const var let, then we will create a car service. I will be talking about very core concepts of objects, how to return a value from a function, then we will introduce classes, inheritance with the proto. I will be talking about the if statements, arrays, iterations, inheritance. We will explain for each map and a filter functions. We will create our custom iterators functions. I will show you how to get a custom user input. Then we'll display some user informations from the user that's typing into our application. And I will show you how to use a switch. We will create objects, or we will create a class to store data, which we will call a car storage. Then we will create a car manager class. I will be explaining how to remove data, what is the difference between the normal functions and the arrow functions, and I will be talking about this context. And then we'll be talking about the logical operators, and then about the very important concept of asynchronous programming, where I will introduce you promises and observables and underlying concepts related to it. So guys, these lectures will be quite long, so once again, if you are really not beginner and you want to start with the React or Angular framework, please let's follow the sections I told you about, but I would really recommend you to watch the basics because it's always good to remind yourself these basic concepts. So guys, I wish you good luck with this section and I hope to see you in the lectures. Cheers guys!